Hello everyone. Today I am joined by another winner of Monomosme's International Essay Writing Competition. Her name is B. Ashwarya. She is from Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh, and currently she is pursuing Master of Public Health at Manipal University, Mangalore. Her hobbies include gardening, cooking, singing, and spending her leisure time with her grandparents and actively participating in various essay, elocution, and debate competitions. That's a wonderful introduction that I read, and I am very happy that I got a chance to talk to you. Thank you for coming and joining us.
Thank really a wonderful introduction about me. I'm really very thankful for you.
And definitely, I'll now ask you, how did you find this platform of Monomosmy services?
When I was about to complete my UG, I didn't like there was almost like 6 months of time for my completion of my UG. So I haven't thought that what will be I doing after this UG, like what job I'll be doing or what I'll be pursuing. The only thought that has come to my mind is like, so I'm going to be retired from this student cadre. So how can someone take me into some other in some other competitions? That was only thing that has come into mind, because from my childhood I used to participate in all the competitions. Like my mother is my major inspiration in everything. Like she's a source of my inspiration. She made me to participate in each and every competition, whatever maybe the dance or whatever it is, a singing competition, drawing competition, essay, elocution. And from my childhood I used to have a lot of stage fear. So by participating slowly, because of her, it's it's gone, like I can't say to 100%, but to some extent I can talk fearlessly on the stage. So then I started, like in my UG at my final year, started searching on the internet. Like I have a habit of participating, as already I told you. So I started searching on the internet. Then finally I found some of the websites and some organizations who are actually conducting these participations, but they were not like online. They were offline, and that too not in India, in abroad. So then I came to know about Monomosmi. It has provided a wonderful platform, not only for the students but also for the others also who are doing some other jobs. And it is not confined only to the job holders and also for the students, but also for a lot of population in our country.
I really agree with you on that, and the thought resonated with me because I just completed my B.Ed, and I was also like, many of the competitions want you to be a student of some of or the other college. And
Yeah,
now, since I'm not a student anymore, how will I participate in such competitions?
yeah,
So
exactly.
Monomosmi is different from that. We don't have to, mention our college and everything to participate. It's open
Yeah.
for all. So definitely. Now, since you talked about your inspiration, your mom being your inspiration, what was her reaction when got a place in the international winners list?
She was very happy. Like I couldn't express for whatever. She will always tell me like, don't think what would be the result after your participation. So first thing is you need to participate. So you need to learn something from that. And this Monomosme, it's like third time I'm getting like one of the winner. So they felt very happy actually.
So
Too, if it is like online.
you are constantly participating and winning. That sounds
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah,
So how
because
did
of the encouragement and the support I get from my family and my sister, that is really extraordinary. Actually, I'm really blessed.
at least you can get a platform now to express your gratitude towards them?
Yeah, yes,
So,
yes,
you are a science student and you have so many hobbies like gardening, singing, and others. I will ask you
yes.
specifically, how did your passion for literature and writing began?
All began from the moment when I started participating in essay competitions. The main problem like which I have personally seen in majority of the people is like many of them will be having extraordinary communication skills, but at the same time it is also important to keep in mind that we should also have the writing skills, the capacity to write. Then I started it from the childhood when I started writing all this essay thing. My mother is she's an English teacher. She used to teach me all the grammar part, everything, the vocabulary and all, and she
So
used to tell me
you
like,
have a strong base because of your mother, and
yeah,
definitely that
yes,
helped
yes.
you a lot. I really can feel
Even though if I start listening to the teachers in the school, like what all the lessons they taught, like after coming to home every evening, like she will teach me the grammar.
that has definitely
So
solidified your base and has helped you a lot in this respect.
yeah,
How did you choose your science stream? Do you like prefer science to literature or any sort of that happened?
you mean for my UG regarding
Yeah.
science group? Yeah, actually, I have a dream to become a doctor, MBBS doctor, but unfortunately, I couldn't become. So my next option was this Pharma D. This is a
Oh,
wonderful course, but there is a lot of opportunities in the abroad.
especially
Not to
now.
that extent in India.
Now with this pandemic raging, we really need people like you who, want
Yeah,
to go into this field and contribute, because we have seen doctors and the people in the medical background, they are like next to God right now. So we need
yeah,
people,
exactly.
and that's a very good profession that you have chosen to get into, and you will definitely help a lot of people. Now, talking about
Yeah,
your
sure.
passion, do you have a particular time of writing, or you can write whenever anything or any thoughts come into your mind?
Yeah, I have a habit of writing some diaries. So whatever comes to my mind, I used to write in that. So some different thoughts.
What was the topic that you wrote your essay on, in which you got in the winners list? Do you remember?
Yeah, the world's best or the most famous. I have written about Elon Musk,
Okay, do tell me
entrepreneur.
about it. Do tell me. I have never heard something like that. So please, if you want to elaborate, you can.
Like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Like he is one of the greatest influential entrepreneur at present globally because of his wonderful thoughts. Like at the age of 12, I guess, uh, he sold his video game, uh, like in order to enter into the business. So at the age of 12, most of them don't know like what they are doing. But
Even we
because
didn't
he
know.
had a strong passion on that, yeah. And the technology is like he also what all shares he got, he started dividing it into two parts. One is like Tesla. It is an automobile industry. So it makes all the cars that and all. And second thing is regarding the SpaceX, which makes the rockets. And the most inspiring thing, what I have learned from him is like he didn't go to the school or college. He took the books from his classmates and he started teaching himself, self study.
He's self-taught. Nice.
Yeah,
Even
he
your
believed
words,
in himself.
yeah, even your words is making me feel that I should read about him and his life. You
Yeah.
wrote a very good essay on a very good topic. Now, since you have written an essay and you have been participating quite a lot, do you find something that's really difficult while writing an essay?
The monomosme team, they are giving really wonderful topics. For few things, we need not do research also. We can write it on our own. But the guidelines that they have kept, no, so few things will not match to our ideas.
Right.
So that part will be
Right.
some
I
difficult for me.
Now, some people say that until and unless you feel very passionately or you have strong feelings, you cannot be a writer. Do you agree with it?
No, it's not like that. It's not compulsory that everyone should be passionate on something or about something. They can
You
do normally also.
Right, you can be a writer, and I think everyone has feelings. So it's just a matter of putting paper to pen. That's it. Because I think there are so many people out there, and
Yes,
everyone
yes,
has a
that's true.
story. Everyone has a story. It's just that people don't write it down. So anyone
Yeah,
can be a writer if they want to. I'll 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 put my views
exactly.
like that. Now, talking about books, do you prefer reading audiobooks, ebooks, or the paperback version?
Offline. I used to go to library, and I
Definitely.
have many books even at my house.
I have
Yeah,
found
so I
this.
used to read in them. I prefer offline.
I have asked this question to a
Okay.
lot of people, and many people say that younger generation is, going away from paperback version. They don't prefer hardbound books now. They search for matters online. But I have asked this question to so many people, and majority of them have said that they love the feel of books in their hand, and they like reading it through books. So I don't know
Yes.
where people get this
Yeah.
idea that the younger generation is, running after ebooks, but we all really love our paperback versions.
Yeah, exactly. And I also have a habit of reading the dictionary. Like it constitutes both Telugu, English, and also Hindi. So I don't refer Google that much.
I will ask you now, since you said that you read dictionary, can you
Okay.
please tell the viewers about the benefit of doing it? Because I have never heard people say that they read dictionary, and it's, I think, getting lost. I don't even recall a person who is like taking the dictionary out and going through the difficult words. It's nowadays it's just type the word and Google will give you the meaning for
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
So, can you please tell what's the benefit of, going through with a dictionary?
The meanings and the words will be standard. Whereas if you refer in Google, like in Wikipedia, like few things there will be updating often, like monthly ones or yearly ones. So we cannot get a standard definition on one thing. So I think referring dictionary is a good thing, not
I
completely sticking onto the Google.
I agree. Google
It
is
also
not.
makes us feel confident when we start reading.
Right. And plus, I have seen that even my cousin suggested that to read dictionary for like at least 20 words a day because it enhances your vocabulary. While
Yeah,
we
exactly.
while reading, when we face a difficult word, we can search for its meaning. But I don't think it stays in our mind for a long period of time. But if we, put it in practice of reading the dictionary, then I think some of the words stick in our heads and we can use it in a
Yes.
different way in some other time. So I think the reading dictionary, I think it benefits quite a lot.
Yeah, and I used to take the newspaper in my UG, not every day, but few days I used to take, and I used to pick the hard words like which I cannot understand. I used to take my dictionary and I used to highlight it. Like I used to do like weekly, twice or thrice, like that.
uh,
So it helped me a lot when I used to present some articles or when during my poster presentations and all.
I will definitely want people to listen to you on this because reading newspapers is getting lost. Reading dictionary, I don't even think people do that anymore. So I hope people listen to you on this and take up this
Exactly.
as a hobby so that it helps them. Eventually, it will help them in their, vocabulary and their reading and learning and skills. I think
Yeah.
your views will definitely help people who genuinely want to, get into article writing and essay writing. Lastly, I
Yes.
want you to, give, if you have a message, do you want to give to the future contestants or the participants of such events and competitions?
I would tell like each and every, like not only student and also others, like Monomosme, it has provided a platform to many members in and around India, like even in other countries also. So when we get so opportunities, they are not like they will not be coming often, but when it starts coming, we need to utilize it. So for the next generation people, I would like to suggest that we need to utilize what we have and we need to prove ourselves. So it is the best way of utilizing. I
I,
would
I
suggest them.
I hope people listen to your message and our conversation, because I found it really interesting and lovely. Thank you for talking to me, and it was, refreshing to have such beautiful ideas, and I heard it from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this wonderful opportunity. And thank you for the Monomosme team also. Thank you, ma'am.